me again on your screen, and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be trying, I already tried it, but I'm just going to be showing you the whole process how I achieved this look, this smoky eye. So if it's what you're interested in, stay to the end of this video. So I already did my face prep. I used my moisturizer and my serum. You can use any regular moisturizer or serum. So since we're going to be going for the smoky eye, I'll just do my eyebrow first thing before I go to the eyes. Okay, let me just moisturize my lip. Smoky eye can be very messy, so we just want to do the eyes first. So now I'm going to be going with, hold on, let me using this Kiss Beauty. I can't find the cover. If you know me so well, you know that I've been using this thing for a very long time. So I'm just going to prime my face. It's like really oily. If you're using your primer, do not put it under your eyes because it has no business there. Your under eye is really soft, so your primer shouldn't be going there. Only just your concealer and your powder. And that's all. Now I'm going to use this Pond's lasting oil control for very oily skin. I used to use this thing before. I just got this one recently. This is like the second time I'm using it now. Now I'm going to go in with this adventure concealer in the shade 05 cinnamon. Just gonna put it around here. Since I don't have a primer, the concealer will do. Just blend everything out. I'm going to go in with my Zaron highlight setting powder in the shade I don't know this. I think it's ZA442510 I don't think that's the shade. When you get to a makeup store, just tell them to give you your shade. I'm gonna set it. I'm going to be using this regular Davis pencil. Now draw my brows just gently. I'll be back. I'm done drawing my brows, and this is what it looks like. I think I'm going to post a full video on how I do my brows, because if I should add that here, it's just going to take time. Now to the highlights. I'm gonna be using this paper tape. Pour it into using Davis pencil in the shade 1. This place. I'm just gonna pick a regular eyeshadow. I don't want to show you my eyeshadow because it's so messy. And this is brown. You just go here, the outer corner. Black shade. And I'm just gonna leave it here. All the way down. Just a little. Can you see that? This is what it looks like. Now I'm just gonna use a bronzer for this middle part. Mascara. This is what I'm going to be doing. I'm just gonna draw it to give me that cat's eye effect. So I lined my waterline. I just remember the name, yeah. And then I fixed my lashes. This is what I used. Cat's eyes. This is the first time trying it, and I don't know. I can't really see the beauty because this side is dark already, and this is where the drama is, so I can't really see it. Tell me what you think. Next, I'm going to be using this foundation, the V Beauty foundation in the shade Melanin 7. This is Melanin 7, and this is okay in the shade 09. So I'm gonna mix the two together. It is so dark. Jeez. Oh my god. Ah. So let's just blend out this upper part of my brows. You guys, guess what? It covered all my dark spots. I think I'm in love with it. I'm in love. I'm obsessed, and I don't even feel guilty about it. I'm not going to be contouring because the foundation is really dark, so I'm just going to conceal my under eye. Today I'm not going to be blending with my brush. I'm going to be blending with my beauty blender. Setting powder. Make sure you blow it out and just using this adventure lip liner to line my lip. I'm just going to use this brush to blend it out. And I'm using the magic lip gloss for this look. I don't feel like wearing lipstick. Using my adventure powder in the shade medium. Out all my setting powder. Now I'm going to spray my face, covering my eyes. And then I'm gonna spray it on this little brush. I'm using this very regular bronzer. I can't even pronounce the name. And I'm gonna dab the brush in it and put it on my cheekbone. Nose and my chin. Yeah. And this is the final result. Okay. It's giving madame. It's giving big sister, it's giving big auntie. So let me know if you're going to be trying this eyeshadow look. I love this lip gloss so much. Like, it's giving me